Hi guys, my name is Kuyz. So for today's video guys, I will share you how to solve a liver problem. So this is a algebra subject guys. Okay. So I have here an example of a liver problem. Okay. So I will read this problem guys. Okay. So RM and Regine together weighs 75 kilograms. Find their weights if the balance is so when RM sits 2 meters from the fulcrum on one side and Regine sits 3 meters from the fulcrum on the other side. So this problem guys is an example of a liver problem. So this is an algebra subject also. So guys, first we have to distinguish x. Okay, let x is equals to weight of RM. Okay, let x equals to weight of RM. Then 75 minus x is equals to weight of Regine. Okay guys, so 75 minus x is equals to weight of Regine. Now guys, moment, we always remember that moment equal to the product of weight by the distance. Okay, so from here guys, we can have an equation of moments. Okay, so 2x from 2 meters, okay, is equals to 3. So this is from 3 meters of Regine times weight of Regine, which is 75 minus x. Okay. Then we have to simplify this equation guys. Okay. So this is equals to 2x. 3 times 75 is equals to 225. 3 times x, so this is minus 3x. Okay guys, so now guys, okay, so 2x, this is 3 times 75, this is 225. 3 times x, this is 3x. Okay, now we have to combine like terms. Okay, so this is 2x plus mixed positive because it transposition plus 3x is equals to 225. Okay guys, so this is 3x plus 2x, this is equals to 5x is equals to 225. Okay guys, then x is equals to 225 over 5. X is equals to 45 kilogram. Okay, so this is the weight of RM is equals to 45 kilogram. On the other hand, we substitute 75 minus x, so x is equals to 45, so that we find out what is the weight of Regine. Okay, so this is equals to 75 minus x, okay, which is equals to the weight of Regine. So 75 minus 45 the value of x, which is equals to 30 kilogram. Guys, so this is equals to 30 kilogram. Therefore guys, 30 kilogram, this is the weight of region. Okay, so 45 kilogram is the weight of RM. Okay guys, so 45 kilogram is the weight of RM, while 30 kilogram is the weight of region. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you get something from what I have shared. So thank you very much. If you are interested with this topic, so please do subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are always be notified if I have new video like this